Is your laundry piling up faster than you can say spin cycle? The MideaTop Loader series in an 18 kg and 21 kg inverter model are designed to keep up with your family's never-ending laundry needs. These machines are big on capacity, efficiency, and convenience. Both machines are packed with advanced features that work as hard as you do. The 360-degree water magic pulsator ensures every load gets a deep clean with powerful swirling water action. And when you're in a rush, turbo mode cuts washing time by 20% without compromising on cleanliness. Need a fresh start? The Tub Clean feature removes residue, mold, and bacteria, keeping your machine hygienic and your clothes fresher than ever. And with the auto unbalancing detection, you get a smoother spin cycle. No banging, no fuss. For added safety and convenience, the built-in child lock keeps little hands away from mischief, while the wide-angle transparent lid that is also soft close lets you keep an eye on every spin. And with the high back control panel featuring a large control dial, you're in total control, conveniently at eye level. Plus, the 18 kg machine offers stage selection for manual control, while the 21 kg features auto cycle and manual cycle for added flexibility. Now, tough stains give me such a headache, but thankfully, both machines have a built-in bleach dispenser to help with that. And for those really stubborn spots, the 21 kg inverter model has a pre-soak function that loosens dirt and grime before the wash begins. But the 21 kg inverter top loader is where innovation takes center stage. Equipped with an inverter quattro motor, it's super quiet and saves up to 70% in energy. The Eco Wash mode saves on water and electricity consumption, great for the environment. For added reassurance, both machines come with a standard warranty of 5 years, and the 21 kg inverter model offers a 10-year warranty on the inverter motor. Dimensions vary slightly, with the 18 kg measuring 640 by 684 by 1024 millimeters, and the 21 kg measures 686 by 715 by 1044 millimeters. Whether you choose the 18 kg or the 21 kg inverter model, you're investing in reliability, convenience, and cutting-edge innovation. Make laundry day a breeze with the MideaTop Loader series. Midea, make yourself at home.